Alright, so in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you how we can insert image watermark on Microsoft Word Office. So first of all, open your Microsoft Word, and there is my Microsoft Word, and I have done something on this particular page. Go to top right corner and click on design, and then go to watermark. Okay, and the watermark, go to down here and click on the custom watermark. You see no watermark and picture watermark. So click on picture watermark, then select the picture, select picture, and then you can select the images or the picture from your gallery or from the device. Okay, so browse for the device. You can take any image, but for me I need this one, and then insert. Okay, so directly the image was inserted. Then just you can select the scale. The scale must be in auto or in I will for it as auto, and then come here and click in OK, and then apply. All right, so now you see everything is changed as a watermark. Come here, watermark the image. This image is at the back of the text here. The image is at the back of the text. The images, all the images are at the back of the text. So in this way you can apply the image watermark at the back of your documents. All right, so this is all about what I have for you. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and be a family. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.